Welcome back to the shop. Today's a busy day. Started the day working on the mill. Sawed about 570 board feet of 1x stock for our good buddy Keith. Now we're working on Mickey Lubbock's props for the play Tuck Everlasting. Is that right, Red? Tuck Everlasting?
I think it's Tuck Everlasting.
Tuck Everlasting. Yeah. So Mickey, this goes out to you. What we're going to do is talk a little bit about our plan on what we're going to do to make your A-frames. And your A-frames are essentially going to be 12 foot tall, 5 foot at the base, and they're going to essentially be boards like this. Now there's two ways we can actually cover this so you can paint the inside and the outside seams. What we're going to do right now is we're going to show you those in mock-up form as best we can. Alrighty, Mickey, so there's two ways we can do this. The board's going to be like that. One is we can take and put the board in the center here that you're actually going to be painting. So you'll be painting this board and this will be the support. We can put it in the center and hold it like that. Alrighty? We can do that. It won't be as stable as the other way. Now let's take a look at the other way. The other way, we can put the board on the outside, front and back, and that'll give you two surfaces to paint on, plus it'll make your structure more stable. I really can't mock this one up to show you what this looks like with the painted surface, the actual seam surface, in the middle of the board like that. But we do have a mock-up for the other one. All right, Mickey, this is the one that I think is the most stable, probably the easiest to build, and probably the safest to move around the set, and that is where your painted surface is going to be on the outside of the board and not down on the inside nailed in here. And that'll give you two surfaces to paint on. What we'll do is we'll make a base on wheels like we talked about, so you can turn the set actually around. But my personal opinion is this is your best route, but I can build it either way. So let me know. Just shoot me a quick text and we'll get started on it. We've got all the material and we're ready to go. Alrighty, that'll do it for this afternoon. Brett, do you have anything?
Nope.
As always, thank you for watching the video, and remember, we'd love to see you back in the shop.